Welcome to the today's lecture on decoders. So in previous lectures we are watching the combinational circuits and we have watched almost all the combinational circuits till today. So I think it will be the last combinational circuit, that is decoder, because we have watched adder, subtractor, multiplexer, demultiplexer, and what we call it encoder. Now in this class we will see the decoder. So what is decoder? Decoder is a reverse of the encoder. Means decoder changes binary value or to other codes, or binary codes to other codes. That is, so what is decoder? Like other circuit, decoder is also a combinational circuit. Okay, combinational circuit. Now, means decoder contains no memory element and its output will depends upon only the present input. It is many is to many, many to many circuit. It is many is to many circuit. Okay. It converts binary code to other codes such as binary to octal. Okay, means 3:8 decoder, binary to BCD, binary coded decimal. This 4:10 decoder, and also binary to hexadecimal, and it will be 4:16 decoder, and like that there are many other circuits also. Okay, so it is many to many circuit. So we will see the example of 2:2, 2:4 decoder. Okay, 2:4 decoder. So let us see what is 2:4 decoder. Okay, so in 2:4 decoder, number of inputs are 2, and number of outputs are 4, and there is an enable signal, that is also known as the control signal. Okay, so see, 2:4 decoder. Okay, you can directly write decoder, so no problem. 2:4 decoder. So there will be two numbers here. It is, let us suppose it is a binary number A, and here it is binary number B. Okay, and there will be 4 corresponding outputs. Okay, so that will be Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3, and here it is enable signal, and this is enable signal. This is nothing but the control signal. If this is not high, if this is not selected, whatever you will give the input to A and B, nothing will change to the output. Nothing will change to the output. Output will remain in the 0 state. Okay. So this is control signal. And I told you in the previous class also, if we are deciding if we have a digital signal or binary signal, then MSB and LSB are important. So this is MSB, this upper side is MSB, and this is LSB. No problem. Okay. So what happens? See, we will see the truth table. Truth table of this 2:4 decoder. Okay, 2:4 decoder we are watching now. So how many inputs are there? Inputs, 2 inputs are there, A, B. Outputs, how many outputs are there? Outputs are there Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. So 4 outputs are there, and there is an enable signal. Okay, there is a enable signal. We will give some more space to this. So this is input, and here it is enable, E, enable circuit. This one, this input, E. So this will be like that, and here it is A, and here it is B, and here it is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. So if this signal is not there, if enable is not selected, what value you will take? If this is 0, okay, if this is 0, what value you will take here? You will not get any output. You will not get any output. All will remain in the 0 state. So what happens when this enable circuit is 1? When this enable circuit is 1, so what happens? Now this output will change according to these inputs. Okay. So what are the possibilities? 0, 0, 1, 1. These are the 4 possibilities, and this is 0, 1, 0, 1. These are the inputs. So inputs are written in this way. Okay. So, and in all other cases, this input enable signal should be high. Means this chip is selected. This chip is selected, and this is enable. Now output can be changed depending upon these inputs. Okay. So what can we do? Just write it in this way: Y3, Y2, Y1 and Y. Because we have taken this in MSB, LSB, so we will go from here to here. So if this is 0, 0, if this is A and B both are 0, so this one we select. This will be high, this one. Okay, because we are converting, if both of these are 0, this will be high. Okay, and if and all other will remain 0, and if this is A is 0 and B is 1, so what will happen? This will be y1, and if this is high and this is low, then this will be high. Okay. Sorry, this is y2 will be high, and finally when both of these inputs are high, okay, so this will be high. So in decoder circuit, at a time only one output will be high. Okay, so this is the truth table, and by using this truth table we can design the circuit. So what will be the circuit inside it? So y naught means y naught is high when these two are 0. So if we will take A and B both bar, so A is 0 means A bar will be 1, B is 0, so B bar will be 1:1. So it will be high when. So likewise we can put all these things. Okay, so here it is 0 1, A bar B. Here it is 1 0, so it is AB bar, and here it is AB. See, if this is 1 and this is 0, let us suppose A is 0 and A is 1 and B is 0. What will happen? What should be the height? 1 0. This is 1 0. This y2 should be high. But let us check what will happen. If A is 1, so A bar will be 0. So multiplication will be 0. So this is A bar B. So A is 1, again A bar will be 0. So this is 0. Again A is 0, A is 1, B is 0. So this will be 1 and this will be 0. So this is 0. Now see this y2. What will happen? A is 1, okay, good, and B is 0. So B bar will be also 1. So 1 into 1 will be 1. So depending upon these inputs, okay, one of the output will be high. So its circuit is very simple. This is only AND gate circuit inside this gate. Okay, so circuit will be like this. This is your A and this is your A bar, let us suppose. This is your B, okay, and this is your B bar, no problem. And here it is, okay. So yes, we should take care of all these things, that this should be 1, then only all these things will be valid. So, and here y0, okay, y0 means A bar B bar. So this is A bar and this is B bar. Okay, y1 means this is A bar B. So this is A bar, this is B, and y2 means A B bar. So this is A, this is B bar, and y3 means AB. So this is A, this is B. That is very simple. Okay, so this is A bar B bar, okay, A bar B, this is AB bar and this is AB. Okay, and see, let us suppose this is our circuit. So what you are saying, that there are two inputs A, B, these are the binary inputs and these are the outputs. Okay, so this decoder contains only AND gate. This decoder contains only OR gate. Okay, so we'll see one or two examples. Okay, some of the half adder or full adders may be implemented using this circuit. How it can be implemented, we will see. Okay, we will see half adder, only half adder, that how half adder can be implemented using this 2:4 decoder. Okay, so let us suppose this is 2:4 decoder and these are the outputs. Let us, and what will be the inside the circuit, how it can be implemented with the logic gates, we all have seen. Okay, with the help of truth table we can find the output. Okay, so whenever you want to design the circuit of any logic gates, any circuit, then first of all write the truth table. Write the truth table. Once your truth table is written, the digital circuit is designed. Now we will see half adder using 2:4 decoder. We are taking this example because it has been asked in several examinations. Okay, that's why. So, and we have considering this 2:4 decoder here. So this is the reason, that is why I am choosing this one. So tell me, what is the output of, what is the input and what is the output of the half adder? Let us suppose this is half adder, this is A, there are two inputs in the half adder and there are two outputs, sum and carry. What is sum? This is A XOR B. And what is carry? A into B. That is very simple. Okay, so see, A XOR B means, A XOR B means what? A XOR B is equal to A bar B plus AB bar. That is very simple. And take here one OR gate and take A bar B into one input. So this is your A bar B, we are taking as one input, and take another input A B bar. So this is A B bar. Take another example, input of OR gate, this one. So what will be its output? Its output will be A bar B plus A B bar, A B bar. So what is this? A XOR B, isn't it? Some of the half adder we can, it is implemented now, because this decoder contains AND gate and we are taking OR gate outside. So that is very simple. We can design the half adder using this 2:4 decoder. Now one will see, one will say that no, you have only calculated the S, and how can we calculate C? So this is C. Let us suppose this is your C. What is this? This is AB. See, only one OR gate will be used, and by using this decoder, okay, we can design the half adder. Okay, so by using 3:8 decoder, we can also design the full adder. So let us see. We'll see for 2 minutes more. Okay, by using the 3:8 decoder, we can implement sum and carry of the full adder. Let us see. Full adder, implementation of full adder using 3:8 decoder. So this is 3:8 decoder. See, and here 3 inputs will be there. Okay, and these inputs will be, let us suppose, A, B and C, and let us suppose there will be 8 outputs, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what will be the outputs? Tell me. Outputs will be 0, 0, 0 and like that. Okay, so it will be like this: A, B, C. Okay, so 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Now 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so this is the input, and here it will be enable. Okay, this enable will everywhere 1, and here it will be the output. Okay, so there are many outputs. Okay, so here it is Y0 to Y. This is Y7 to Y0. No problem. We'll see. So what will be the Y0 corresponding to? From here we can write the output. So Y0 will be corresponding to this. If this is 0, 0, 0, then this Y0 will be high. Then Y1, then Y2, then Y3, then Y4, then Y5, then Y6, then Y7, then okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is extra. So leave it. Okay. This is 3:8 decoder. Okay. So Y0 will be A bar, B bar, C bar, and likewise this is A bar, B bar, C, and like that. So we can write all these things here directly. Okay. So A bar, B bar, C bar, and Y1 is A bar, B bar, C, and this is A bar, B, C bar, A bar, B, C bar, this is A bar, B, C, okay, and this is A, B, C, A, B bar, C bar, and this is A, B bar, C, and this is A, B, C bar, and last one it is A, B, C. Last one it is A, B, C. Okay, and if you have remembered, then sum and carry were there. Okay, and there were 3 inputs in this circuits. So let us suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is 7. So there are 8 numbers. So it was 7. S was 1 at 1, 2, 4, 7. It was 1 at 1, 2, 4 and 7. This was like this. And carry was 1 at 3 and 5, 6 and 7. All other it was 0. Okay, so this is the case. Now see, what is the mean term? What will be the value of S? Okay, so if we want to write from this truth table S equal to, then wherever, let us suppose here it is S, so take this value, okay, A bar, B bar, C, okay, A bar, B bar, C plus another one here, it is A, B, C bar, A bar, B, C bar, and again here it is A, B bar, C bar, A, B bar, C bar, and last one, this one, A, B, C. This is the sum. So if this is the value of sum, then come here and take one OR gate. Okay, take one OR gate and take all these values A bar, B bar, C, A bar, B bar, C, this one. Okay, so this one. Now A bar, B, C bar, A bar, this one, A bar, B, C bar. Okay, and now A, B, C bar, A, B, C bar, this one. Okay, and one more circuit is there, A, B, C. Okay, so take. Now it is sum. Okay, and for carry, it is 1 here, it is 1 here, it is 1 here, it is 1 here. Corresponding, write the sum of the mean term. Sum of the mean term. So what is the mean term for here? A bar, B, C. A bar, B, C. Plus what is the mean term for this? A, B bar, C. Okay. Plus this one, A, B, C bar. And last one is A, B, C. So take here another OR gate and give all these inputs A bar, B, C, A bar, B, C, this one, okay, A bar, B, C. Now A, B bar, C, A, B bar, C, this one, 5. And now A, B, C bar, A, B, C bar, this one, and last one this. So this will give the time. So see the beauty. By using this decoder, 2:4 decoder, we can implement any circuit. And by using this 3:8 decoder, we can design another circuit. So there are so many possibilities of designing. Okay, so because it is made up of decoder and that is made up of encoder. So finally, before closing this one, I would like to tell one thing. Okay, that we have seen the designing of all the things, but sometimes we do not have remember which circuit contains which type of logic gates or logic gates combinations. So mux was there. Okay, you must have remember mux. This was AND OR circuit. Mux contains AND OR circuit. So by using mux we can design any circuit. Mux is a universal circuit because it contains AND OR circuit. So AND OR NOT, all the basic gates are inside this mux, and we can design whatever we want. So this mux is known as universal circuit. Using mux we can design encoder, decoder also. Okay, no problem. So this is mux, AND OR circuit. This is very, very important. Now see the demux, demultiplexer. So this is demux. So demux contains only AND in its implementation. And decoder, it is in front of you. So in 5 minutes before you watched the designing of this decoder, there was only AND gate. Okay, so it contains AND gates. Okay, and encoder. In previous lecture we saw the encoder, and encoder contains only 4. Okay, so by using this demux we are not able to design any circuit. Okay, so for designing of purpose of the circuit, this mux and this decoder circuit are very, very important. Okay, this decoder gives all the combination of the AND gate and take OR gate as per your requirement, and your circuit will be ready. And mux contains AND OR circuit. So whatever circuit you want to design, take only mux, you can design. Okay, thanks for watching. I think it will be very, very beneficial to you. And if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe it. Okay, and you will get very much or very good videos or very essential videos that is important for you, for the students of electronics and communication and electrical engineering. It will be very beneficial. Okay, thank you for watching.